And she didn't know how to tell him she was in love with a Rasta man. Fire was burning and burning till I thought what she was holding in. And she didn't know how to tell him she was in love with a Rasta man. Fire was burning and burning till I thought what she was holding in.
Know her story before she say it. Daddy just want her corporate. Find somebody that's corporate. Suit and tie more appropriate. Him say him now make him daughter stray. But reggae music she start to play it. Ital food when she sort her plate. Militant youth where she want to date. And that is what she need. Marcus Garvey she start to read. Here stop home and it start look neat. So we want keep her off the street from who she with. And that be me. More than a naughty head is what she see. No love or sleep is not for me. And she no want keep it a secret, but she can't tell him who she sleep with.
She didn't know how to tell him she was in love with a Rasta man. Fire was burning and burning till it out what she was holding in.
And she wants to be free from all this captivity. So she'll be who she will be. They can't tell her who she need. They can't tell her who she want, who she can't. She talk her own a chant, chart her own a path, and follow her own a heart. Call me over her own apartment. Now as I answer the phone, that's the tone she start with. She knows that she don't be part with one like I, even though so much impart it. But she have to do her own a thing, cause she can never live life for them, knowing that she will look back when to the time but she couldn't explain to him cause then.
And she didn't know how to tell him she was in love with a Rasta man. Fire was burning and burning till I thought what she was holding in. And she didn't know how to tell him she was in love with a Rasta man. Fire was burning and burning till I thought what she was holding. Emancipate ourselves from mental slavery. None but ourselves can free our minds. Have no fear for eternity, 'cause none of them can stop the time. How long shall they kill our prophets while we stand aside and look? Yes, some say it's just a part of it, but we've got to fulfill the book. You know, I want to thank the Minister of Tourism, I want to thank the ministry, and I want to thank all the Antiguans for coming out and supporting me. It's love, you know what I mean, and I appreciate it, and I hope you feel the love and the vibration that I was sending your way, yeah?